We now have an open source version of O1, open source strawberry. This is a Chinese company that has created their own O1. Let me tell you about it, and then we're going to test it out. So the company is DeepSeek AI. It is a Chinese AI company. And here they have released DeepSeek R1 Lite Preview. Supercharged reasoning power, and it is performing incredibly well, on par with O1 Preview. It has O1 Preview level performance on AIME and math benchmarks, transparent thought process in real time, and it is an open source model. So on the AIM 2024 benchmark, we see that DeepSeek actually surpasses O1 Preview by a pretty good amount. Obviously, GPT-4o is nowhere near it. Qwen is doing pretty well. DeepSeek v2.5, their previous model, is doing pretty well. But now with thinking, they have dominated this benchmark. Next, in math, look at this, 91% accuracy on the math benchmark compared to 85 with O1 Preview. That is a phenomenal result. GPT-QA Diamond did pretty well. Code Forces, a coding benchmark, surpassed O1 Preview and just absolutely dominating performance. We have the live code benchmark here and the Zebra Logic benchmark here. So exceeding on par or close with O1 Preview on almost all of these important benchmarks. So anybody who says that we are hitting a wall in terms of intelligence, show them this. We are absolutely not. There is no wall. We are going straight through any wall that did exist. And this is called inference time scaling. And look at this. This is proof that there is no wall. On the x-axis, we have the average number of thought tokens per problem, basically the more time thinking. And on the y-axis is accuracy as a percentage. As we see here, the more time these models are given to think, the better they perform. And the coolest part, although not available yet, is it is open source. We'll be able to download it and use it locally. So especially with all of these GPUs that just stay dormant for 23 hours of the day, most likely, we could put all of that compute towards giving these models additional thinking time. This video is brought to you by HP and Qualcomm. HP just released their brand new EliteBook Ultra G1Q AI PC. This is their next gen AI PC laptop that is specifically built to leverage the power of AI. Natively in a highly mobile laptop designed for performance, mobility, and an AI experience. The EliteBook has an all-new design, gorgeous, sleek, thin, lightweight, and most importantly, durable. And it is powered by the Snapdragon X Elite processor from Qualcomm, which is a 12-core CPU and comes with an NPU capable of processing 45 TOPS. That's trillions of operations per second. Other features HP uniquely provides include the HP AI Companion. It helps customers seamlessly explore new information, gain actionable insights from their personal files, and optimize their device performance all in one place. And it has a dedicated one-touch Copilot button so you can access Microsoft Copilot easily. AI also powers instant translation during your video calls into 44 different languages. The laptop has 25 hours of video playback without plugging it in. It has an incredible battery life performance for all-day mobile productivity. It also has a tiny, incredible camera right here called the Polycamera Pro, which is great for collaboration. So be sure to check out the new HP EliteBook G1Q powered by the Snapdragon X Elite chip. I'll drop all of the links in the description below. Thanks again to HP and Qualcomm, and now back to the video. So Twitter user Philip Schmid gave O1 and DeepSeek the same very complex problem. So he gave it a bunch of different clues and then asked it to solve the problem. Here are the clues. So 9285, one number is correct but in the wrong position. 1937, two numbers are correct but in the wrong position, and so on. So both models got these clues, went through, and it turns out O1 did not get it right, but R1 succeeded. O1 thought for 1:10 seconds, R1 thought for 101 seconds. So let's give it the marble question. A marble is put in a glass cup. The glass is then turned upside down and put on the table. The glass is then picked up and put in the microwave. Where's the marble? Explain your reasoning. So I really shouldn't have to say explain your reasoning, but here we go. So thinking, and the thinking step definitely looks different than it does in O1. It's much more verbose, to say the least. All right, so bunch of thinking. I'm not going to read that all, but taking quite a bit of time to think through it. Look at this. But wait, maybe there's another way to think about this. All right, so there's the output. The marble remains on the table while the empty cup is placed in the microwave. Yep, that's perfect. How about one of the other ones that the transformer models always struggle with? Give me 10 sentences that end with the word apple. So in this example, it did not get it right. So I can definitely tell the difference between O1's thinking and R1's thinking. O1 actually does self-reflection on the answer, where R1 kind of thinks through its strategy of the answer and then gives the output. Just to show you the difference, let me show you how O1 does on this exact question. So here's O1 preview. Give me 10 sentences that end in the word apple. So thinking, so it does not output the thinking in real time as much. And wow, O1 got it wrong too. So they both got this one wrong. Let's give it another one. How many words are in your response to this prompt? My response to this prompt contains 9 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so close, but not correct. Let's ask ChatGPT O1. Same question, thinking, navigating self-reference, counting words, ensuring consistency. So it's definitely thinking a lot longer than the R1 model did. This answer has 4 words. That is also not correct. So both of these models are still struggling with these basic questions. So although these types of thinking models are going to be much better at certain types of questions, they still do struggle with these types of questions. So we are in a new era of test time compute. Obviously, these models still have a long way to go, but they perform incredibly well already. I've been waiting for an open source version of O1, and it seems like we now have it. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Do you want me to put it through a full test? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.